Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So basically this video is for developers, for Flutter iOS developers. Uh, so first of all, I have to must say Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslims developer. So this video is basically about the issue I faced during my coding, that my Visual Studio Code did not detect my real device and also any simulator or emulator. So after spending some time on this issue, and I searched on internet but didn't find out a good solution, so I just checked my Flutter version that time. So if I guys show you, so it says my Flutter version is 3.13.9, and if I look down, it says Flutter requires Xcode 14 or higher, and I have installed Xcode 13. Yeah, here it is, Xcode 13.2.1. So basically the conflict is here. Flutter uh, Flutter version and my Xcode version is different. So uh, Visual Studio is not detecting my real iOS device or iOS simulator. So what I had to fix this problem, I just downgrade Flutter to version 3.0.5, or if your MacBook is latest, so you can upgrade your MacBook OS version, and after that you have to install Xcode 14 or higher. But unfortunately my MacBook is old one, so I have to downgrade Flutter to version 3.05. After that, it download, and when I Flutter Doctor again, so it says like my version has been changed and no Xcode version problem here. So after that I just open my code and check this thing. Let's see. I just open it. It's showing me right now here. So iPhone 13 iOS simulator is displaying here. Thumbs up this video if you also faced that problem, maybe in past, and you didn't got any solution and you had a really bad day because of this problem. So, and also if you didn't face that problem, must watch that video. Maybe you will have that problem in future and you have to struggle for hours and hours or days maybe to detect what happened with your code or your system. So some people say you have to uninstall Flutter, clean your Flutter, clean your Xcode, and blah blah blah. So these all things are rubbish. So just you have to check Flutter Doctor, and it will tell you what's wrong with your Flutter or Xcode. So I detected through terminal. So it's just simple uh, Flutter Doctor /v. So it tells me the version and all the stuff about my system, about my Xcode, about what things has been installed on my MacBook. So if you guys find this video helpful in any way, please thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Subscribe, please. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. See ya.